From the Ohio State Bar Association, this is Law You Can Use, selecting the simplest 2010 federal income tax form. With Jennifer Jenkins, media representative with the Internal Revenue Service office in Columbus. I understand that I won't be getting my paper tax package from the IRS this year. How do I get a form to fill out my 2010 return?
There are other ways that you'll be able to get the forms that you need. Of course, online at www.irs.gov, you can go online and you can look at the forms and instructions and print them right out then and there. You can also call our Publications and Form customer service line, which is 1-800-TAX-FORM, and usually within 10 to 14 days you'll be receiving those forms and instructions that you've requested in the mail. Of course, there's a third way that you could obtain the information you need, and that's in person. Go to one of your IRS offices in your area if you have one, or some participating libraries and post offices may also have the forms and instructions that you need.
How will I know which form to use?
Well, first of all, if you use e-file, the computer, the software, will choose which form is the best for you to use. But if you're going to file by paper, you will need to make a decision which form to use, either 1040, 1040A, or 1040EZ. To use the 1040EZ, you can use the 1040EZ if your taxable income is below $100,000, if your filing status is single or married filing jointly, if you and your spouse, if married, are under age 65 and not blind, if you are not claiming any dependents, and if your interest income is $1,500 or less. You can use the 1040A if your taxable income is, again, under $100,000, if you have capital gain distributions, if you claim certain tax credits, and or if you claim adjustments to income for IRA contributions and student loan interest. If you cannot use either the 1040EZ or the 1040A, then you will need to use the 1040. Some other reasons to use the 1040 are your taxable income is $100,000 or more, if you're claiming itemized deductions, if you're reporting self-employment income, and if you're reporting income from sale of a property.
What are some of the common mistakes people make when filling out federal tax return forms?
Some of the common mistakes that are seen on tax returns are simple things like math miscalculations, or omitted social security numbers, or even incorrect address information. So e-file is actually a way to get around some of those problems. E-file greatly reduces some of those common errors that we see on tax returns.
Where can I get more information?
The official IRS website, www.irs.gov, has a lot of great information. You can actually go online and print off forms, instructions. You can actually go to a frequently asked questions section and get answers to a lot of the most commonly asked questions that are out there. Another way to go is using the customer service line, which is 1-800-TAX-1040, just like the 1040 form. So 1-800-TAX-1040, they also have people who speak a variety of languages. So if someone needs to speak with someone in Spanish or another of the languages, they can actually connect with someone who speaks their common tongue.
This has been Law You Can Use from the Ohio State Bar Association. More information on this and other legal topics are available at ohiobar.org.